Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious Asian dish, Vietnamese chicken and rice. This recipe is known as cơm gà Hải Nam. In Vietnamese, cơm means rice, gà means chicken. First, in a large pot, add enough water to cover the chicken. Now add the sliced ginger, scallions, mushroom seasoning, kosher salt, rock sugar, and chicken. When the water begins to boil, reduce to low heat. Using a strainer, remove any film from the broth. And simmer for 30 minutes. Now prepare the rice. Soak the rice for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse and drain the rice. To make the scallion ginger dipping sauce, slice the scallions. Chop the ginger. In a small pot over high heat, add olive oil. When the oil is hot, add chopped ginger. Sliced scallions, and kosher salt. To make the shallot dipping sauce, chop a shallot. Now, in a small pot over high heat, add some oil. Brown the chopped shallot. Now stir in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, pour off some chicken broth, and chicken broth. Now we're ready to make the delicious ginger garlic rice. Next, in a medium pot over medium heat, render 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken oil from the chicken fat. Remove the chicken fat and sauté the chopped ginger and garlic. Now add in the rice and stir cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour up 3 cups of chicken broth and add it to the rice. Once the rice begins to boil, reduce to low heat and simmer. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes. The cooked rice should look like this. Let the chicken rest 15 to 20 minutes before carving. And here you have a delicious Asian dish. Cơm gà Hải Nam, chicken and rice. The scallion ginger sauce is delicious and the chicken is tender. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.